Well, our top focus story is the attempt to deport the Luthra brothers. They are the co-owners, remember, of the Goa nightclub where 25 people tragically died in a massive fire. They remain in Thai custody as we speak. In fact, do remember, a Delhi court has refused them any relief, even as Indian agencies prepare for their deportation. The duo have been shifted now to Bangkok. Sources reveal a complex web of shell companies linked to the brothers, allegedly used for money laundering. Their passports have been revoked. Emergency travel documents must be issued before deportation can proceed. Now, Thai courts may also need to cancel their visas, a process that's expected to take at least 2 days. In the meanwhile, CNN News 18 has accessed inside details related to co-accused Ajay Gupta. Police sources tell us that Gupta was in Goa at the time of the incident, but not at the spot. He also flew to Delhi on Sunday and got himself admitted in a hospital to evade an arrest. A lot of reactions have been coming in. Our team of reporters have been getting you the latest. They've been keeping you up to speed with the minute-by-minute developments trickling in. Let's listen into what's happening.
After spending the night here, the Luthra brothers, Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, have moved out of the Phuket Immigration Centre and they have been taken to Bangkok. This has been confirmed by immigration officials here at the Phuket Centre of Immigration, which is the Thai authorities centre here in Phuket. So the Luthra brothers, Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, were here overnight. You must have seen that picture where Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra are seen sitting with the immigration officials. So that was one of the last pictures clicked here. The immigration officials here in Phuket completed all the paperwork, and subsequently on the morning of Friday, immigration officials here in Phuket confirmed they were taken to Bangkok. So what is it that was required? Why was this move towards Bangkok? The shift to Bangkok was necessary because there were two parallel legal work that had to be carried out. One, the work that was to be done by the Thailand visa authorities. They had to revoke the visa of Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra. A production in court is required. A court will declare them illegal and only then will the process of deportation begin. So that's the process as far as Thai authorities are concerned. There's also a parallel process to be carried out by the Indian authorities. The Indian embassy will it has already cancelled, revoked the passport of the Luthra brothers, and now an emergency document has to be issued. It is that emergency document that will be stamped by the immigration authorities of Thailand when the Luthra brothers leave Thailand and leave for India. So those two parallel legal processes will be carried out. That is why Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra have been taken to Bangkok. The court production, because it's weekend, Saturday, Sunday coming up, it could delay matters. But Goa police is definitely hopeful that latest by Monday or perhaps Tuesday, they will be able to question Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, question them about was it just lack of proper due diligence, or was it a known conspiracy, not caring for the lives of people? Who really helped them, warned them about the LOC that the Indian government was issuing? Who all in government of Goa or central government helped them escape from Goa escape from India while the inferno was still on? All of these are questions that Goa police wants to ask. First step has been taken, which is the move from Phuket to Bangkok.